What's up, beautiful people? Now, before I go into this video, I want to remind us that I recently created a new WhatsApp group and a Telegram channel. And what I intend doing in this WhatsApp group and Telegram channel is to upload strategies, methods, and ways you can be able to earn a whole lot of money for yourself online. All right, whenever I try things and it works, I go to my Telegram channel and WhatsApp group and update my community, and for them to make a lot of money for themselves before even thinking of bringing it here on YouTube. And in most cases, I do not even bring it at all on YouTube. All right, now in today's video, I want to go through some certain things in order to kind of save some persons from losing a whole lot of money online. Now, I recently made a video concerning this particular platform, and I placed a live withdrawal, right, which most of persons that watched the previous video must have witnessed. But now I'm making another video to let you know that you just have to stay away from this platform. I came across a channel promoting this particular platform, and then the person is actually making a live withdrawal. I do not know what is actually going on, but guys, this is just to let you know that you just have to stay away from the platform. So I recently wanted to withdraw some earnings from this platform from my account, and I could not withdraw. Now, as you can see over here, I have up to 5.38 USDT, right? And then let me place a live withdrawal so you'll understand what I'm talking about. So I have 5.38 USDT, right? So I've typed in there. So I'm going to proceed to type in my withdrawal password. All right, so let me type that in now. Now I'm done typing my withdrawal password, so I'm going to proceed by clicking on withdraw now. Okay, so you see what I'm talking about. You see the error notification that it keeps on bringing out, right? The error notification, please contact the customer care in order to solve blah 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 blah. So I have to proceed to speak with the customer service as they asked me to do. So when you look over here, you will see the button that you are going to click in order to speak with the customer service. So when you click on the button, you will see how you can be able to speak with the customer care, whether online service or offline channels. All right, so I've already done that. So I'm going to go, they make use of Telegram, so I'm going to go over to our discussions with my discussions with the customer service, and for you to see for yourself what I'm talking about. So let's go to the Telegram channel. So over here is the conversation between I and the person handling the Telegram channel or their customer service, whatever. So I said, hi, I can't withdraw my earnings from your platform. It kept on saying I should contact customer service to participate in the event. So I have to go on by sending the screenshot of the error notification which is showing me whenever I try withdrawing my earnings, which says please contact customer service to participate in the event. So I also went ahead to type, please kindly look into this and rectify, cause I just made video promoting your platform on my YouTube channel and now this is happening. Now the person responded that I should provide my login email account or invitation code. Now over here you can see where I provided my email address, and this was what the person typed in. The person said, in order to expand the scale of investment and bring higher returns to investors, starting today, Ramdon users will be forced to upgrade their level. Two ways. All right, now the first way is purchase a higher level and get the corresponding previous level for free. For example, if the current level is K1, you need to purchase K3. I'm going to go back to the platform, so I will tell you how much you will be able to use in order to activate or purchase the K3. All right, but let's keep going on. Now you need to purchase K3. The system will automatically give you K2, and you can get all the benefits of K1 plus K2 plus K3. For example, if the current level is K2, you need to purchase K4 the system will automatically give you K3 and you can get all the benefits of K2 plus K3 plus K4. Now the second method is successfully invite 3 people to join. After the upgrade is successful, it will be used permanently and no upgrade prompts will be given later. Now the person handling this also said over here, as you can see, please choose at least one of the 2 methods to complete the upgrade. After successful operation, the system will automatically enable the profit and withdrawal functions. So I had to type this immediately. Scam, be making a video right away. This platform can't scam my audience. All right, so guys, this is kind of creating awareness for you to stay away from this platform. But if you insist, you have every right to do whatever you want to do. Remember, I'm not a financial expert or a financial advisor, or rather your financial advisor. All right, what I do is, if I try things out, it works, I'll bring it here on my YouTube channel and let you know, so you can also benefit from it. And whenever the thing is not working, I will still come to this YouTube channel to let you know, hey, do not do this or do not participate again in this, is no longer paying. And then also to sensitize or kind of put some persons in aware that this particular platform, if you see anybody promoting it, hey, please do not participate, it is no longer paying. You can probably lose your money. All right, so remember to join our WhatsApp group and Telegram channel. All right, I created this new. Once we get up to 100 persons, we are going to kickstart. All right, now, so this is what I have for us in today's video. Do well to join this beautiful family by smashing that subscribe button, then turn on the bell notification so you always get notified anytime we upload awesome content just like this one you watched. And to my beautiful returning subscribers, I appreciate you always coming back to this channel each time you get notified of a new video, and I do not take you for granted. Click the like of this video to spread to more awesome people just like you, so they can stay away from this platform. Cheers, and always remember that Leo loves you.